Nice hair. Now when I look at myself, I wish I was dead.
Who is that? That you, Kraus? Anytime I want you small-time drifters to muscle in on my singing, I'll send you a special request.
I wish I was dead. I hope I'll starve to death. And I will. I can feel myself dying already.
You know, they used to turn the lights out in that little number. There was a sort of silver glass ball at the top of the ceiling that turned round and round and round. They used to throw little rainbow color reflections all over the walls and the floors. God, it's beautiful.
Honest to God, Butch. I can't hold out much longer.
No?
No. I got a weak constitution. I was already in a nervous rundown condition before I got sent up here. Hell, it was a bum rap anyways. I mean, I didn't sell any weed. I mean, I used to smoke them, but never sold any. Persecution. All my life, persecution. Maybe they'll kill me down there at Klondike, because I'll never get out. Never get out. Never.
Dummy up.
Have you been to Klondike, Joe?
No. Butch has.
What's it like, Butch? They say it ain't the heat so much.
What is it? The humidity?
Can't breathe good. It's sort of suffocating.
They're bringing him up from the hall. Go on. Ain't no funeral march yet. Get in there. All right. Have a good look at him. And remember this. The hole is just a small dose compared to Klondike. Klondike's the big medicine. And the boss is all set to pour it out in double doses for any of you wise bastards that don't feel like eating supper tonight.
Where the fuck is Ollie?
Yeah, where's Ollie?
Yeah, where's Ollie? Where's Ollie?
Huh?
Who's responsible if some fool takes a notion to butt his own brains out? You see this here thermometer? See that red mark? That says blood heat. See that mark up here? 20 degrees more? That says fever heat. You think it's gonna stop there? Not a chance. It's gonna keep rising till it busts clean out of the top. It's gonna break all records. It's gonna be the biggest heat wave in history. Now, if you don't think I'm a good weather prophet, just one of you finicky lads, leave a little spaghetti on his plate tonight and see what happens.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, spaghetti.
Spaghetti, huh? Well, we ain't gonna eat it tonight. Nor no other time. Until Whalen cuts out the graft and gives us something besides hog slop.
Is that what you want me to tell him?
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell him that. And if you don't like it, well,
Klondike. Tonight.
If we don't eat.
cut the cackle, Ollies. Now listen up. Listen up, Ollies. Anybody in Hall C that eats is gonna pay for his supper in Kangaroo Court. And I'll assess a maximum fine. You know what? Now, you're all scared. You're all scared of Klondike. I say let him throw us in Klondike. Maybe some of you weak sisters will be melted down to grease chunks. But not all of us. Some of us are going to beat Klondike. And Klondike is their last trump card. When you got that beat, You beat everything that they got to offer in here. You got them over a barrel. You got them over a barrel for good. And so then what happens? They come up to us. They come up to us. And they say, you win. What is it that you want? And we say, Boss Whalen is out. Get us a new warden. Fuck yeah. Get us decent living conditions. No more overcrowd. No more bunking up with contagious diseases. Fresh air in the cell blocks. Fumigation. And most of all, boys, we want some food that's fit to put in our bellies.
That's right.
No more spaghetti and beans and hamburger and beans and spaghetti. Till you feel like the whole fucking world is made out of nothing but hamburgers, beans, and spaghetti. Now maybe, just maybe, when we get through house cleaning this place, it'll be like the industrial reformatory that they have in Chillicothe, where guys are learned how to make a living when they come out of stir, and they teach them trades, improve their education, not just lock them up in dirty holes and hope to God they die as to save the state some money. Now, tonight we go to Klondike, and there's 3 compartments. One of them is little hell. One of them is middle-sized hell. And one of them is big hell. And you all know which one Butch O'Fallon is going to be in. And so if I ain't yellow, boys, don't you be neither. That's all I got to say.
Nice out. It's a bit cooler. What's wrong with you?
Ask me what life is, Ava. Ask me what life is and I'll tell you. It's a gradual process of time. That's what it is in here.
Worse than I expected.
That's what it is in here. Maybe on your side of the fence, it's something else. I'd like to find out, but I'm afraid I won't get that chance.
So your parole turned down?
Not yet. It will be. I was talking about it later.
Oh, you shouldn't have mentioned it now while he's all steamed up about the hunger strike.
I know. It just popped out somehow. You know, I'm getting out of control. Butch aiming for the right kind of bird. Canaries never get out of their cage, do they?
Jim, don't be a fool.
You know, they die singing sweetly till doomsday. Damn. If I get turned down this time, I'll never get another chance.
Why not?
Because I'll blow up. Crack to pieces. I'm drawn as tight as I can get.
Jim, don't be a damn fool.
Do you know what it's been like? Hated like poison. By everybody but him for 10 years. 10 years of being his stooge. Jimmy boy, do this, do that. Yes, sir, Mr. Whalen. My hand's aching to grab that beefy redneck of his and choke the breath out of it. That's one of the reasons why they shake so much. And here's another, standing here by that window, looking out across the street, seeing the traffic and the buildings and the lights going off and on, and me being pent up inside these walls, locked in them so tight. It's like I was buried under the earth with a glass lid on top so I could see the world above me. While I felt the worms crawling inside me.
No, don't be a fool.
Ava.
Jim,
How did this happen between you
I
and
love
me?
you. I don't know.
It's the dirtiest trick they've ever played on us.
Don't say that.
We can't have each other, Ava. We never can.
We can.
Where?
Somewhere.
How?
I don't know how.
Neither do I.
But next month.
There won't be a next month.
There will be. There must be.
Why? Why?
Because I love you so much. It's got to happen the way I want it to happen.
Why do you love me so much?
Why is anything on earth? I don't know why.
Neither do I.
Hello, Jim. Still here.
Schultz. Call.
Well, he's got his instructions.
Yes, he said that he had.
Jim, I want you to take this down to the switchboard and have it posted, sent to all stations.
Does this mean?
Never mind what it means, just do it and step lively.
Yes, sir.
Back on the job, huh?
Yes, sir.
I should have told you to bring some things with you.
What things?
Your little silk nightie and stuff.
Well, what do you mean?
Quarantine. Bad epidemic's broken out. 25 cases are going to be running a pretty high fever tonight. So I put this place under quarantine restrictions. Nobody's going to leave the grounds until the epidemic is over.
Well, I can't stay here.
Sure you can. My wife will fix a room up for you. You'll be very comfortable here.
No, I won't do it.
Sorry, I'm afraid you have no choice.
Haven't I?
Nope. I'm not running the risk of any outside interference while this trouble is going on here. It's my business, and I'm going to keep it my business. So, just as a precautionary measure, I've ordered the boats to take no passengers on or off the island without my special permission.
I think you've exceeded your authority.
You're wrong there, sister. In times of emergency, I can do what I damn well please. Say, what's the matter with you? Anyways, I know. It's a nervous strain we've all been under these last few days. I've got gas in the stomach myself here.
No, you've been drinking too much. I'm afraid it's begun to affect your sense of judgment. You ought to know you can't get away with a thing like this.
Hey, now, look here.
Riverside 3854W.
No outgoing calls can get through. You're wasting your time.
Then I am a prisoner here.
You are temporarily detained on the island. Might as well make the best of it.
I don't know why, but I'm terribly frightened.
Why are you frightened? You've gone and worked yourself all up. You have nothing to be nervous about, Eva.
I'm afraid of you.
Me? Why should you be scared of me?
I am, though. I'm terribly frightened. You've got to let me
Now,
go, Mr. Whalen. I
now,
can't stay here
now,
with you any longer.
Now, you're hysterical, Eva.
Yeah.
My wife gets like that, too. That don't touch me stuff. I know a good treatment for it that always works. There now, little girl. Gonna work yourself all up over nothing. Your nerves and your muscles are all drawn up real tight. Now, when my wife gets like this, I rub my fingers along her throat. Real gentle like. Till all the stiffness goes out. And then Eva, for Christ's
Yeah? What? All right, coming down there right now. You wait right here, little girl. Right back in here for you. Yes, sir.
Hold on to yourself.
Get me out of here, please. Please get me out of here.
Hold on to yourself.
Trying to, Jim.
Take a deep breath. Here. Out the window. See those lights up there? It's the lower one. On our way right now. Now tell me what happened. And be real calm, don't get all excited about it.
He told me I'm a prisoner here. I can't leave. I don't know why, but it made me terribly frightened all of a sudden. His eyes, the way he looked at me, Jim, I had a feeling that something awful was going to happen.
Easy now.
Yes, I guess I'm an awful sissy.
No. You got more guts than me.
Jimmy came real close to me. His voice, it kind of put me to sleep.
Did he?
No. The phone rang. They called him upstairs, I guess. I could hear it like it was 1,000 miles off. He went upstairs and I would have jumped out the window if he would have come to him.
There's nothing but water out that window.
I didn't care. I just wanted to get away somehow.
You'll get away.
With you, Jim, will you take me?
Yes. In a while. Can't you feel those walls shaking? They can't hold up much longer. There's too much boiling inside them. Hate, madness, fury. In a little while, they'll blow to pieces and move you loose.
Jim, I want to be with you when that happens. I want you to hold me like this, so when the walls come down, I won't be crushed down underneath them.
You'll get away soon. We'll be together.
Where?
Tonight. Meet me here in the office.
Will we stay here?
It's dark and nobody will see us.
Schultz, how hot is it down there now? 125? What's the matter? Get it up to 130. You got Butch O'Fallon at number 3, ain't you? Good. Give number 3 135 and don't let up on it until you get further instructions from me. Hey, got them windows in the hall shut? Good. Keep them shut. Let them squawk their goddamn heads off.
What time is it?
How the hell should I know?
I wonder if we've been in here all night.
Sure we have. I can see daylight through the hole.
How long was you in that time?
36 hours.
Christ! Water!
Yeah.
Water!
We done just about 8. Hey, you know what the old maid said to the burglar when she found him trying to jimmy the lock?
Yeah! Swifty's sick. I am too. Why don't someone come down here?
You heard that one, did you?
Yeah. A long time ago, Butch.
You gotta know some new ones then.
No, not any new ones, Butch.
Well, tell some old ones, goddammit. Don't you all just lay there like you're supposed to be laid under. Let's have some life in this party. Sing, goddammit. You know some songs, Queenie. You got a voice. Come on, boys, put some pep into it. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. Come on, boys, sing it out. Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile.
They're giving us smoke! Oh my God! Why don't they stop? Why would they let us out? Please!
Yeah!
Please!
They're giving us more heat. Sure, they're giving us more heat. Don't you know it's Klondike, for Christ's sake? Oh, what's the use, you crybabies? You want to go on sucking a sugar tit your whole lives? Come on, Queenie, come on! What's the use of worrying? Come on! It never was worthwhile. Come on now, sing it out, boys. Water! Need some water!
Let me in there, Uncle! You're hogging it! You're hogging it! Can't you see I'm choking it down?
All right! All right! Enough! We gotta systemize this business. Quit fighting over the air hole. The only air that's fit to breathe is coming through there. And we gotta take turns breathing it. Now, we've done maybe 16 hours. We got maybe 10, 20 or 30 more to go.
Christ! We can't make it.
We can't get it, Queenie.
We can't! No, we can't!
We just gotta organize.
We can't.
Just gotta organize. Now keep close to the floor. Stay in a circle around the wall. Each guy takes his turn. 15 seconds. Maybe later 10 or 5 seconds, but I do the count. Order. And if a guy flips out, he's finished. He's through. You push him out of line. This ain't a first aid station. This Klondike, and by God, some of us are gonna make it, all right? All right, Joe?
Yeah!
All right, then get started then. Push that kid up here first. Come on, kids. Come on, kids. Come on. Come on, kid. Come on, kid, breathe. Come on, kid, breathe, kid. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. It's no use, Queenie. He's beating a cinder track around the stars.
But he ain't dead. He's just unconscious.
Push him on the line.
Give him a chance.
Push him on the line.
A chance.
Push him on the line.
Oh, thank you. Give him a chance.
Joey, get ready, Queenie.
You heard them. What? Singing? Huh. Well, we'll give them something to sing about. 140. Get her up to 145 in Butch's apartment. You bet I want them left there all night. No, keep them windows shut. Water. Let them make their own water.
Here comes more. Keep down, Queenie. Keep down. Joe, look. The burner with me.
That's one way out.
Maybe the boss will come down and check us over.
No, he wouldn't.
Or maybe Schultz will. Or the canary. No, guys. These two chickens stick his push down here. But if he does ever... You hear that, Joe? It's a lockup bell. We've done 24 hours. We only got 12 more to go, Joe.
How do you know how long it will be?
They don't want to kill us.
Why don't they? Your turn, Butch.
Yeah, get moving, Queen. No, Queen. No, Queen, get moving. Let me breathe. Take your turn. Let me breathe. Come on. Let me out. Queen, stay away from the radiators. Stay away from the radiators. Hold on, Saul. Stop it. Stop it, Queen.
Butch, you killed him.
Somebody I've done him that favor a long time.
How hot is it now down in Butch's compartment? 150? Good. Keep it up there until I give you further instructions. I'll be in my office until about midnight. If anything should come up.
Butch,
Yeah.
you know, that razor,
What about it?
use it on me. Quick. I don't want to get done with this.
Keep holding yourself, Joe. Keep holding yourself. You can make it. Pull yourself together.
No, I can't. I'm choking to death. I can't stand it.
This air, Joe. Breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe, Joe. Come on. Just breathe, Joe. Come on.
There ain't no air coming in now, Butch.
Joe. Joe, just breathe. Breathe, Joe. Come on. Don't quit on me now. Don't quit on me now, Joey. Come on, you can make it, buddy.
No.
Come on, Joe. All right, you bastard! Turn up the fucking radio! Turn up the heat, goddammit! Stop it! I'll turn it off. I'll turn it off. Get back! Oh, no! Golly, I can't see. I can't see. Butch. Joe. You're okay. You're okay, Joe. You're okay, Joe. You're all right. Joe.
Grace, Butch. It ain't no good that way. You've blown your top. What's the percent?
Joey, it's okay. No, Joe. No. Just sing with me, Joey. Queen, come on, let's all just sing something. Huh? I've got big troubles. And you're okay? Julie? No, no. Why don't you not just say something?
Jim, I'm late. I couldn't help it. His wife's not on the island. She left this afternoon. And I can't stay here with him. I can't do it.
Don't talk.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Don't talk. It's not safe in here. Someone will hear us either.
You've never even said you loved me.
I love you.
What is this?
Looks like the canary's turned into a lover, Mr. Whalen. I heard a noise in your office, so I came up here. There was.
Doing what?
Well, they weren't picking daisies.
And you, a while ago, got all hysterical in here, objected because there was no chaperone in the house. And now you come in this office like a bitch and
Stop
heated.
it!
Oh, I hate you! I could kill you right now!
It's easy for you to say that when you've got a gun stuck in my back.
Schulte, put down that gun. You know, it's very disillusioning when you give someone too much confidence to the wrong people.
No, you can't do that to him. I won't stand for it. I asked him to meet me here. I asked him because I was scared. I was scared of you. I was scared of this awful place you've got us locked up. And he let us go. You let us both go before I scream. I'll let the whole world know what's going on here.
Take hold of that girl.
Let her go!
Ah! Oh! Ah! No! Take him out of here. Get him out of here.
Where to?
Come on, Doug. Put him in with Butch O'Fallon. They're real good friends. Well, young lady, I'm sorry about this whole thing. I mean that sincerely. You probably don't know the string of it under. It's not easy being the head of an institution like this. Sometimes, and I'm telling you the truth, girl, I have been so sick at heart at things I've had to do and seen done that it's made me sick to even look at my little baby's face and hear her call me Daddy. Maybe it's done something to me in here. Sometimes, I don't know, I just don't feel quite the same anymore. It's awful, awful. Men down there now being submitted to awful torture. But what can I do about it? I've got to keep discipline. Dealing with criminals, there's no other way. Now, there's two ways I could look at this. This could be a very serious business. By your own confession, you remember what you said. You had Jim meet you in the office. Now, I'm inclined to be rather broad-minded about such things. But these discrepancies in the commissary report, things like that, serious sometimes. At least they could appear that way.
What do you mean, Mr. White? You mean you would try to accuse me?
No. Not unless you force me to.
What do you want?
What do you want? What does any man want? What did Jim want? What did you give him? Sympathy? That way it could be very simple. We're always tired, overwrought, strained. Sympathy. All of us need it.
Well, what do you do with Jimmy?
Well,
I love him. I know you probably don't understand how it happened between us. He's coming up for parole next month.
yes, I have the letter in my desk right now.
What letter?
Recommending Jim's release. Of course, after this.
You won't send it?
Well,
Suppose I did sympathize, as you say, and kept my mouth shut. And anything else you want. Would you send the letter then? Did Jim get his parole?
why not? You see how easy it is to straighten things out even?
Now? Would you send it now?
Now. It's pretty late now.
Look, the mailboat leaves at 11:45. You can have it sent over by that. Don't worry, I won't back out. I'm not scared of you now. I like you. I'd like to show you how much.
I'll put it in the mail. My head aches all the time. My little girl's left me. My wife too. We're all of us nervous, strained, overwrought. Aren't we? Yes. 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 Yes.
Making love to the boss's secretary. Fancy that.